AI lava mukbang videos are blowing up online, and today, I'll show you how to turn your own face into one using Veo 3. It's easier than you think. Step 1. Download HitPaw Edimakor. You'll need one tool, HitPaw Edimakor. If you don't have it yet, I've left the download link in the description below. Step 2. AI image. First, while you're scrolling through YouTube, find a lava mukbang video you really like. Take a screenshot of it. Once you open Edimakor, head over to the media section and choose Image Generator under AI Image. Click the Reference Image option and upload 2 images. One is your own photo, and the other is the screenshot you just captured. Your goal is to blend them together. Now enter a prompt. Make the characters in Figure 1 act like those in Figure 2, and engage in lava eating content. After adjusting the appropriate aspect ratio, click Generate. When the generated image appears, I think you already know what we need to do next. Step 3. Video prompt. Right-click to open the file location and find the image we just generated. Now, open ChatGPT, upload the image, and ask it to generate a detailed AI prompt. You can type something like, "Please provide me with an AI instruction to transform this scene into an ASMR lava-eating live stream. Include detailed descriptions such as the sounds and movements during the eating process." This will give you a ready-to-use prompt for your AI video. If you are satisfied, please copy it. Step 4. AI video. Go back to Edimakor, choose Image to Video under AI Video, then select the Google Veo 3 Fast model. This one performs exceptionally well when generating ASMR-style videos. Drag the image from your folder into Edimakor and paste the prompt you just got from ChatGPT into the text box. Next, set your video parameters. Remember to turn on the audio option. The system shows that this video will consume 800 credits. Let's check out the result. If you want to extend the video, you can screenshot the final frame and repeat the same steps to generate another clip. Edimakor automatically starts generating a video from that last frame. Finally, stitch all the clips together. To keep the transitions smooth, delete the last frame of each clip. And just like that, you'll have a complete AI lava mukbang video.
It's really delicious.
Step 5. Credit consumption. Hold on, we're not done yet. Let me walk you through how the credit consumption works. When the resolution is 1080p, durations of 4s, 6s, and 8s will consume 250, 400, and 500 credits respectively. And if you pay attention, you'll notice that selecting 720p or 1080p costs the exact same amount of credits, so now you know which one to pick. If your video needs generate audio, credits will increase by 150 or 180 on top of the base amount. Of course, we also have more cost-effective AI video models for you to choose from. For example, under the WAN 2.2 model, a 5-second 480p video costs only 50 credits, and you can then use Edimakor's video enhancer to upscale it to 4K for just 15 more credits. That means a 5-second 4K video costs only 65 credits total. With this method, you can save a lot of credits and create even more videos. If you run low on credits, you can purchase more on our official website. For $9.99 per month, you'll get 2,000 credits, and most people choose the $29.99 plan, which gives you 10,000 credits per month. And with our Black Friday sale, you can get up to 70% off. This is the biggest sale of the entire year. We also have discounts on AI credits. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.